session, which is being organized by Let's Conquer It Home Science platform, we'll be learning about two important exams. The first one is UGC NET Home Science, and the second one is PAU MET Community Science. In this session, we'll be discussing about our Let's Conquer It platform, the syllabus of both these exams, exam pattern, strategies, cutoffs of previous years, study materials that you could use, tips, tricks, and strategies that you could use to boost your preparation. Let's learn about UGC NET Home Science first. UGC NET is being conducted from 2018 by National Testing Agency. This is an exam which is conducted to find if people are eligible for assistant professorship and junior research fellowship, or even both, for Indian universities and colleges. Candidates who are selected as JRFs are liable for fellowships. This fellowship amount is 31,000 rupees per month, along with house rent allowance, that is HRA, and contingency for the first 3 years. Post that, for the next 2 years, you will be getting a fellowship amount of 35,000 rupee along with house rent allowance and contingency for the next 2 years. This UGC NET exam is conducted twice a year, but in the year 2020, because of the pandemic, December 2020 cycle of the exam was not conducted and it had been postponed to April-May session 2021. But since because of the second wave of corona has come during that time, these exams have been postponed and the dates have not been released yet. Exam pattern of this exam, if we see, it consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 consists of 50 questions and each question carries 2 marks, which makes a total of 100 marks. This is a general paper which everybody who's attempting this exam have to write irrespective of their discipline. Whereas paper 2, if we see, it consists of 100 questions, and similarly, these 100 questions also carry 2 marks each, which makes a total of 200. So you'll be writing a total of 150 questions for 300 marks, for which you will be getting 3 hours. There is no negative mark in this question, in this exam. Now, we'll be seeing the syllabus of UGC NET exam, but before that, since our team will be addressing you about the syllabus, we would like to introduce our founder and CEO and also our educators before we could go into the syllabus part of this session. Now, Rupan ma'am will take over and she will introduce our educators.
Good evening. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce to you our founder, Mr. Ankit Chowdhury. Ankit sir did his Master of Science in Food Technology from Lovely Professional University, Punjab. He won the university honor roll for both years of MSc. For his master's dissertation, he worked on the topic Preparation and Evaluation of Finca Rosea Enriched Fruit-Based Beverages. He is the principal author of a review published in the journal Toxin Reviews, which has an impact factor of 3.8. In addition to being UGC NET qualified, he is certified in ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System and a Six Sigma White and Yellow Belt professional. Ankit sir started the Let's Conquer It Telegram channel on May 11, 2020, with the aim to make the path of preparation for UGC NET Home Science easier for aspiring students. From there, LCI has seen tremendous growth the past 1 year. We are now conducting 2 coaching batches and are present on the platforms YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We are a team of 8 educators who are dedicated and committed to providing our students the best possible support required for UGC NET preparation and to make this an experience they will not forget. We will now introduce our team. My name is Rupan Miriam George. I am qualified for JRF in the first attempt with 76%. I completed my MSc in Nutrition and Dietetics from Symbiosis International University, Pune. In Let's Conquer It, I will be handling research and statistics.
Myself, Kalevani Durairaju. I have completed my MSc in Nutrition and Dietetics from Symbiosis School of Biological Sciences. I have also qualified UGC NET GRF with 72.66% in my first attempt. In LCI, I'll be handling Nutrition and Dietetics unit for you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Keshpati Baba. I am pursuing my MSc in Food and Nutrition from Punjab Agriculture University. I had cleared my JRF in first attempt during my MSc. In Let's Concrete platform, I am handling extension and communication.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Vitasta. Currently, I am pursuing my PhD in the major human development from Punjab Agricultural University, Ludhiana. Previously, I have cleared NTA NET and ICRSRF for my PhD, and in this platform, I will be handling the unit human development.
Very good evening to all. Myself, Tanushri Vijay. I have completed my Masters in Human Development from Wellesley University. I have cleared NET in 2020 with 66%. Now I am pursuing PhD in Home Science from Mohanlal Sukhadia University. In Let's Concord It, I am handling family studies, housing, and food service management.
Hello, good evening, all of you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Prachi Vashne. Currently, I am pursuing PhD in Textiles and Clothing, and I have qualified NET with 65.33% in Let Concrete platform. I am handling Textiles and Apparel Design unit.
One of our educators, since she is not well, she was not able to attend this session today.
Ms. Deepashri Sharma has completed her MSc in Resource Management and she is also UGC NET qualified. In Let's Concrete platform, she'll be handling Resource Management subject for you people.